Reasons for processing food. Food is processed for three main reasons: to make it last longer, to improve its nutritional value, or to make it edible. Unprocessed food will spoil quicker in hot weather because tiny organisms, called microorganisms, like bacteria, feed on the food. There are lots of ways to process food. It can be cooked or pasteurized to remove harmful organisms and make it edible. It can be preserved through methods like pickling, smoking, or canning to make it last longer. Or it can be fermented to improve its nutritional value. Unfortunately, some foods can lose their nutrients when we process them through heating, drying, or salting. For example, when we cook vegetables in water, the nutrients are often drained out of the vegetables into the water, which we throw down the drain. We are left with food with much less nutritional value. Therefore, it is often better to keep food raw or as natural as possible.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.